gates of gold, the tower of lies, where every shadow whispers and spies.
Ned steps into the viper's nest, with truth and honor in his breast.
While far away on the frozen peak, the crows are broken, the world is bleak.
The Silver Queen begins to rise, with fire burning in her eyes.
No longer a puppet for a brother's crown,
She feels the dragon won't bow down.
a new life grows beneath the sun. The reign of fire has just begun. Fear the shadow, face the blade.
The dangerous game has now been made.
In the Hall of Kings and the ice so cold,
The ancient stories are being told.
stand your ground, let the whispers grow. Westeros bleeds for Lord Snow.
They call him a bastard, a boy of pride.
But the imp is standing by his side.
Wear it like armor, the little man said.
Before the shadows
Take your head. Wooden sword strike in the hall.
Arya learns to stand and not to fall.
Swift as a deer, quiet as a shadow.
The water dance begins to flow.
What do we say to the god of death?
Not today. With our final breath,
The shadow, face the blade, the dangerous